morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I'm reaching out to the student body. Okay, students, I just want to get you up and going in your Linux 1 class. Of course, this is CIS CNS 228 OC1 Linux 1. So the first thing is this. You already know that I'm in D2L and you're looking at your home page. I just want you to make sure you review the material on your home page and review the material inside of your portal, which is D2L. You go to your content tab. It is really simple and easy. You got a syllabus in there, you got your connection to your course, and then you got my office hours. So make sure before you reach out to anybody else, you contact me if you're having a problem. Then you have your discussion session right here. Now, this video log that I'm making now will be your first discussion session. But I need you guys to focus on what is required to do a discussion. Because some of you are not giving me the 100 words, and some of you are playing it short. So make sure you focus on this. And this is why people lose a lot of points. I mean, really, their grade fall off here. The next thing is the assignment section. And pretty much in the assignment section, you have to post your labs. So make sure you check the syllabus, and you're going to follow the syllabus because this is a new class and you may have to put some labs in there. So make sure you consult your syllabus. Remember, the syllabus is king, people. The syllabus outrules me, so make sure you follow the syllabus. Then the next thing is the syllabus quiz. Now, this quiz is important. Make sure you do it because one, it gives you points, but the most important thing, it shows me you understand the class. Now, I'm gonna jump over to where we're gonna go from here. You know this, you have been through this before, but now you're in a new class, and this is your CNS 228 Linux 1. Now, I sent you an email, so you have an email to sign up into this class. And if you go check your NetAcad portal, that's where I'm at here, my NetAcad portal, you will see that you have a class in there. So what do I mean, check my NetAcad portal? So let's say you're a student who haven't actually taken Cisco classes in a while. So if I come right here and I see a listing of my classes, so I know that if I log into Cisco NetAcad, I can get my classes, okay? Now, your class is connected to the email that you presented to me in other classes. So you know what that email is. So go check your email to see what I emailed you or Cisco emailed you. Make sure you read the material. The material is important. It's going to tell you a lot of new things in this class. This is where you are leveling up. It's particular things I want you to pay attention to, like this class leads directly towards a certification. The last Linux class, Linux Essential, led to a certification, but I didn't have any of you guys come to me and say, hey, I'm gonna go take that Linux Essential certification. Okay, hopefully you'll do it here. So make sure you read the material because at the end of the day, you want to get certified, people. You want to have these certs when you're going into the work world. I already got a few students that got multiple certs. I'm expecting you to do the same. Okay, here we go. Now, this is going to be mission critical to me. You're going to see me send you information back saying this is not acceptable. I want everything in here, people. I want to be able to see it. So follow the step-by-step process. List it as 1.1. Don't just list it as a copy. Start listening. If you group them like this. Go 1.2.1 all the way down to, you go to the next section, 2.2. Then list it at that. So if you can get all this information in one screenshot, that's cool. I just need to be able to step through it to see it. And yeah, you can blow this screen up. I'm not going to show you how to do it because you are an advanced student. Blow the screen up so you can list everything. I should do it, but I'm not. I want to see how advanced you are. make sure you focus on getting this information to me. I am going to hold you to the bar on this. I want to see all of this. Some people are giving me shortchange information. That's going to cost you. I'm going to flat give you the grade you deserve. So make sure you show all of it, not just part of it. Okay, with that being said, this was just to get you up and going. Now, another focus point for me on this is for me to go in here and say, okay, how much does this class cost? I want you to know this particular class is not free. We gave you the Linux Essential free. This course is not free. So when you click on before you get started, tell me how much this class starts. It's in your syllabus quiz. You got to click on help and resources, or before you get started, you have to pay for the course. So make sure you pay for it and get started. This video log is coming out to you ASAP. So let's get started, people. We are now in the new Linux 1 class. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I'll see you in the next video log.